In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to find Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager under Privacy Protection and select one of your device's features to manage it, or click on one of them to find an app that you wish to manage instead. Let's start with accessing microphone. Now you can click on one of your apps under one of those categories. Click on one of those options, ask each time, allow only while in use or deny, and go back. You can also select an app and click on See All Permissions over here. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!